There will be time soon for a discussion of public policy issues surrounding yesterday's events. But what's important right now is love, courage, and compassion. Love as it has poured in from around the world. Courage as it was demonstrated by the teachers and other adults in the school building whose actions no doubt saved lives. Courage on display as it always is by our first responders. Compassion as shown by people from around Connecticut who've arrived in Newtown wanting only to help. Too often we focus on what divides us as a people instead of what binds us as human beings. What we saw yesterday were those bonds, that sense of community. In the coming days, we will rely on that which we have been taught and that which we inherently believe, that we have faith for a reason, and that faith is God's gift to us all. Those educators and those innocent little boys and girls were taken from their families far too soon. Let us all hope and pray those children are now in a place where that innocence will forever be protected. May God bless you, and may God bless those 27 people. May God bless their families and friends. And may the pain their loved ones feel be someday absorbed by the love of all mankind.